Okay, I will walk you over assignment 2 now. Assignment 2 is on basic portal content, and you have to create 4 iViews, 2 pages and 1 workset. Before I show you how to work on assignment 2, I would also explain to you what is an iView, what is a page and what is a workset. Okay, iView is basically a program that retrieves data and displays it in the content area. Okay, so it will teach you, iView will basically show you how you can retrieve data from outside and display it in a content area. Page can contain several iViews, and you can also display the iViews in a specific layout. So page helps you to contain those layouts and then display the iViews within those layouts. And workset basically is a collection of tasks, services and information that is part of a role. So what is a role? Role is basically the same thing, the collection of tasks, services and information which is available to a group of users. Okay, so basically roles specify which information can be accessed, which can be visualized, which can be navigated. So it restricts access. Okay, depending on the role you play, you will have access to different kinds of information. Okay, with this much knowledge, I think we should be able to work on our assignment 2. In assignment 2, first you have to log in to this URL that I have given you in assignment 1 with your user ID and changed password. Do not use SAP for us. That was your initial password. Now you use your changed password. Here 2 things. Do not use Firefox. Do not use Chrome. Use Internet Explorer. If you are using Internet Explorer 9, then use the compatibility view. Where is the compatibility view? You have to click on here to go to the compatibility view. See, this is the compatibility view. If you are using anything else, it should be fine. IE7, IE8 is fine, but if you are using 9, then you go to compatibility view. Also Windows XP, Windows 7, they work, but Vista does not work. So if you are using Vista, you have to use another machine which has either Windows XP or Windows 7. Okay, now I log into my portal. Okay, I will be using the login ID 001. Okay, you use your own login ID, and by now you all have your login ID because you have already done your assignment 1. So log on. Okay, in the previous assignment you have mapped your system to Bristol. So make sure that the mapping is still there. So in order to make sure, in order to check, I go to personalize, I go to user profile. Okay, I go to user mapping for system access. Okay, I have to make sure that I am mapped into Bristol. Bristol is BRICLNT 105. So I come here, and then how do I make sure that I have mapped to the backend system? This is my login ID, and password is my changed password. Do not use SAP for us. Okay, use the password that you have changed SAP for us to. Okay, and then save it. Okay, once you save it, you should be good. And then you just click, okay, get rid of that, and then you go to content administration, go to portal content, go to Lamar. Okay, and then you create a folder. So I right click on Lamar, I say new, I create a folder. The way you have to create a folder is FLU and then your login ID. For me it is 001. Do not use 001. 001 is mine. Okay, you use your ID. So FLU 001's folder is mine, and then I just do this. And I say finish. Okay, I open it. So I get my folder now, FLU 001. Okay, then I right click on that and I create 3 more folders within it. One folder is called iViews. Okay, so this is my one folder. Another folder is called pages. So this is my second folder. Okay, hold on. Let me check again whether my backend system is saved to Bristol. That's very important, otherwise my thing may not work. So I go here, see it has gone back to Belfast. I want it to be Bristol. I need it to be Bristol. So BRICL and then it's mapped, then I save it. Okay, refresh it and then let me go back and now I see my page. So I go here, create a page, create another folder, new folder, and this is my page folder. So I say call it pages. Okay, and then I create another folder and that folder is called workset. Okay, now I just wanted to make sure about one thing. Open object. Okay, let me close it for the timing and then let's see what happens then. Okay, the first iView that I have to create is, now I go back. The first I am actually in number 6. Okay, so now I have to go to portal content and then I have to copy a iView from there and paste it. And so I go to content provided by SAP, end user, standard portal, iViews, and I have to copy calendar and I have to just paste it in my iView. So I follow that link. I go here. I go to content provided by SAP. Okay. Then I go to end user content. I go to standard portal. I go to iViews and then I take the first one and then I take the first calendar. Okay. Preview it. So this is a calendar and then you just take the first one. Okay. Copy it and then you come back to your own folder, iView folder, and then you paste it here. Okay, so you finish it. So now within your iView folder you have one iView. Again go back, you have to copy another iView. Okay, where from you will get that? I believe you will get it from 2005 examples. So I go to 2005 examples, I take a URL iView, escape game. So let's preview that. This is a game. So I come here, I copy it. Okay, and then I paste it in my own iView again. So I go to iView within my folder and I paste it. So now I have two iViews. Okay, third is you will learn how to create a new iView, and I am in actually number 8. Now I will learn how do I create a new iView, and my new iView is the Lamar University College of Business website. So let me go here. I create a new iView, so new iView, and I choose the template. Then I go to URL iView. Okay, this is my URL iView, and then I name it Lamar University College of Business website. Okay, here everything in no space and everything in small letter. So then I enter my URL http and then cob.lamar.edu and I say next. I finish. Okay, now what you can do is you can adjust the size from here, property category, come here, appearance is size, and then you can I believe change this 80 to 600. Okay, save it. Now close it. You can also preview and see what you have got. So remember, iViews are ways of putting in content. So you have put in this content. Now I have to create another iView, which is a search iView. We will do the Bing. Okay, so I create another iView and choose the template. This is also an URL iView, and I call it Bing search. Okay, now I call, then again no caps and no space, URL HTTP, and then Bing www.bing.com/search. Next, finish, and I have to include the search parameter. Okay, so URL parameter, it's Q value, I search with my name. Okay, string is fine. Personalize, you have to do read and write, and within display name I believe we have to use search term. Let's go here and see what we have to do. Yeah, in number 10 you have to display name is search term. Okay, so I just do search term. Okay, and then what I do is I save. I want to change the fixed size to 600. Okay, so I go here, change that fixed size 80 to 600, and I save it again. Close it. Okay, now you can right click and preview the Bing search, and you can see, since you have used the search parameter as my name, you can see it pulls out information about me. Okay, so now we are in number 11, and number 11 says I need to take a screenshot of these iViews and put it in my Word document. Okay, so what I will do is I will come here, and I take a print screen, open a Word document. Okay, this is my number 1, and go down and I paste it in my Word document. So it shows that I have created 4 iViews within my iView folder, and which is within my 001 folder, because LU001 is my login. Okay, so then I come here, and that would be my 2, and let's see what I get for 2. In 2 I have to create pages. So I come here, I create a new page. Okay, so pages, new page, and I call it page 1. I have a problem here. So when I see that I do not have a page layout, what I have to do is I have to go back and make sure that my user profile, that my user system is mapped. See, it's not getting saved for some reason, but I do have to have this one to be able to save it. Okay, so I modify and then I save. Okay, and let's see what happens now. So I open page, new page, still not showing. Okay, let me change to my compatibility view now and try that again. Personalize, user profile, come on, I want you to be saved with this. Now change password is the password that I'm using now to log in. Okay, refresh. Okay, now let me see what happens. Now I go back to content administration, I go to portal content, Lamar, 001 pages, open page. I still don't have it. Okay, let me see what I can do, but I need a page layout. Okay, since I was having some issues with my 001 folder, I went back to my 000 folder, and I'll show you the rest of the work from there. So in the pages folder, you go, you right click, you open a new page. Okay, and then this is the page wizard. It should show like this: page properties, page template, and page layouts. So you call this page 1, and then you just do it page 1, and then you go to next. Okay, default page template, you choose that. Okay, then you have to choose layout, and let's see what we have asked for the layout. In the layout, I asked that you choose first 2 columns equal width and then 1 column full width. Okay, so let's choose, sorry about that, let's choose 2 columns equal width, and then you choose 1 column full width. Okay, so then click next and then say finish. Okay, open it for editing. So open here. Okay, go to page layout. Okay, here let me see what am I adding. In the first page, okay, in the first page I am adding the Bing search, and I am also adding the LUCOB website. Okay, and in each case I do delta link. Okay, so I come here, I go to my iViews. Okay, Bing search, right click, add iView to page, delta link. Okay, and then go to LUCOB website, add iView to page, delta link. Okay, now drag and drop LUCOB website to column 2. Okay, now you save it, you preview. Okay, and you have now created page 1. Similarly, you create another page which is called, so let's close the page 1, then let's create another page called page 2. So I create another page, this is my page 2. And in page 2 I will copy and paste the other 2 iViews. Okay, the same thing, I do 2 columns equal width, 1 column full width, and then I just go here and I say finish. I open it, I choose, go to page layout, I choose calendar, so right click, copy delta link, escape came, right click, add iView to page, delta link. Okay, then I take it this way and then I preview. Okay, and then I save. Let's see if this is what I have asked you to do. So you repeat the steps to build those 2. Okay, then you need to take a screenshot of both the pages. So you come here, I need a screenshot of both the pages, so take a screenshot, come to your Word document, and this is your number 2, so paste it so that I can see you have done that. Okay, now the last part which is left is I have to add the pages to the work set. Okay, so this is your work set. You have to create a new work set under this. And how do you name the work set? You name the work set as, I have given you how to name the work set. You have to name it WS207, then your login ID. Okay, so I just go to work set 207, and then your I'm 001, so I put 01. If you are 009, you put 09. Okay, so here same thing, 01, and then just say next. So you're finished. Open. Okay, here you have to add the 2 pages. So go to page 1, add page 2 workset, and let's see if I want just the delta link or whatever. So I said delta link. Okay, so I come here, I add page 1 to workset delta link, I add page 2 to workset delta link. Okay, so I come here, take a print screen, and this is my third screenshot. So, and I paste my worksets, and this is basically, I'm done with my assignment. This is my assignment 2. Okay, so SAP assignments A2, SAP A2, and I will call it a key. Okay, so you are done. That's it.